I will leave those little vertical, so we're going to need that, and horizontal stretches or shrinks. So here we go. Number 1, I want a horizontal stretch by a factor of 2. Horizontal, I have to change my b value, and so it's g of x equals f of stretch by 2. I better put a half in there. That causes my x's to have to be big so that when I take them times a half, they become their regular number. And this notation we've now seen a number of times. It says go to function f. So now I look at my function. It says take 3 minus whatever you're plugging in. Well, I'm plugging in a half x, and there's my answer. 3 minus a half x. I can't really subtract them. They are not like terms. So I am just done right there. You might want to put it in standard slope-intercept form. I'm just rearranging there. But that's the answer for number 9. Number 10, vertical shrink. So now I'm over here. Vertical shrink. This is number 10. I will go g of x equals vertical shrinks. I just got to use the number there. I want 1/3 of the function. 1/3 of f of x. And so I just use the notation. 1/3 of what? F of x. What's f of x? 3x plus 5. Okay, and I could stop right there, but we'll go ahead and distribute into our parentheses. 1/3 of 3 is 1x. 1/3 of 5 is 5/3. Or just x plus 5/3. And that would be it for number 10. See, 11, we're back to a horizontal. I'm going to get this guy out of the way here. We'll do number 11 right next to number 9 here. So g of x, my new function is, let's see what they want me to do here. Horizontal, so that's a b value I got to play with. And I want to shrink it by a 1/3, so I just got to use the reciprocal of it. I'll put a 3 in there. Why inside? Because horizontals go inside. Why a 3? Because I got to use the reciprocal of that 1/3 right there. Okay, now I just go to my function and do what it says. Let's see the function. 3, absolute value of 3. Now I got to replace my x, and it's weird here. I'm replacing the x in this function with 3x, and I already got a 3 in there, but now I got another 3 in there, and it's times my x value, so it's times that 3x that I plug in, and your absolute value plus 2, or 3 times 3. There we go. That's going to horizontally shrink it by a factor of 1/3. It'll be as third as wide. All right, and the very last one here, number 12. We gotta go quick here. Oops, I'm going to just start writing my answer. G of x equals f of, what do they want to do? Vertical stretch, so I'm on the outside by 2. I just have to put a 2 in there. So it's 2 times my function. Now my function is pretty long here. In fact, I'm going to rewrite that. That's horrible penmanship there. My pen got really thick on me all of a sudden. So g of x. 2 times f of x, and f of x is this big expression. And it's got 2 parts in it. It's got this part, first term, and a second term. So I distribute to the first term, -4 times x minus 2. I distribute to the second term, plus 8. And I am done. Hopefully that helps you with your vertical shrinks.